Now I would like to explain some of the exercises using the Python. Under that one, the first one is packing, packing and unpacking of triples. Unpacking of the tuples. We know that the tuple is a sequential data structure which is immutable. Under here, right, the packing means we are going to be assign number of values to a single variable. For example, x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. There is no need. We are going to be keeping a parenthesis, right? No need to keep the parenthesis. Now we print the x, right? All the values will be printed and we check the type of x, right? The type of x is the triple, right? This is known as the packing. What do you mean by the unpacking? So friends, here we consider that x consisting of the 5 elements. Now I am going to write it as a x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 comma x5 equal to x. So now we print the x1 value, print x1 value. The x1 value is printed as the 10 and we print the x2 value. x2 value is printed as 20 and so on. Finally, the x5 value is 50. Where it is also possible, we are going to be assign more number of values to a single variable. For example, I am going to consider a1 comma star a2 comma a3 equal to x. Then what happened? Now the a1 value is 10. Let us consider, because here the x consisting of the 5 values, right? The a1 value is 10 and a3 value is the last value, that is 50. The remaining all the arguments, that means a2 has consisting of 20, 30 and 40. This is also a one kind of triple unpacking. Here we keep the asterisk mark. The asterisk mark consisting of the number of values. That means the total number of values to a triple. Friends, we can observe this one practically by executing this same example. Now let us consider x equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Now I try to be print x and print type of x. I will try to be execute this one. Okay, you observe that all 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 values are kept in a parenthesis. That means this is the tuple, right? Now I try to unpack this one. That is, let us consider a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma a4 comma a5 equal to, I keep the brackets here, the brackets here, equal to x. Right now I try to be print a1 in the same way the remaining also, print a2, print a3, print a4 and print a5. Now I will show the result to you, right? So these are the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I try to be assign the new variable For example, x1, comma, star x2, comma, x3 equal to x. Now I try to print the values of x1, x2, x3. Print x1. X1 should consisting of the first value 10. Right? Print x2. Right? The remaining values. Print x3. The x3 should consisting of the last value. Right? Please observe carefully. Right. So this is the value of x2. The x2 consists 20, 30, 40. Okay, friends, you can understand that what do you mean by the triple packing and unpacking. Next one, I am going to be explain. Right. I remove this one. How we are going to be print the index values as well as the values of the triple. So to print now I am going to be consider x is a triple of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 because the triple is in a sequential data structure. Now I use the index function x dot index. Actually, this is the method. This is applicable only on the variable x. Now I am using this one. I am going to be write because the first value index is needed 10 index, 20 index, 30 index, 40 index, 50 index. So I travel from first element to last element. For that reason, I am using for loop for I in x. I print x dot index of I. That means I value 10, 10's index that is 0, comma, I am right print x. That means 0, 10, 1, 20, 2, 30, 3, 40, 4, 50. So the left side all these are the index values and these are the actual values. We know that actually the indexes are started from 0 in Python. Now I will execute show to this one. I will create a triple x like that and now I write that is also be triple at for I in x, right? Int for our readability I keep index comma x dot index of I comma value comma I. Please observe carefully. I try to execute this one. So please observe 10, 20, 30, 40 that is triple index value 0, index equal to 0, value is 10, index is 1, value is 30. Okay friends, I am using this index method. This index method only applicable on the object x. So this is the second experiment. The third one is we are going to be check whether the given element is existed in the tuple or not. So again let us consider suppose the x equal to I'm sorry please the x equal to is a triple x is a triple of these elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, right? I am going to be entering a element value may be the 35. So the output is 35 not existed in the list because not existed suppose once again I element once again I run that one. I element value is 30. It should be displayed existed in the triple. So for that reason, I am again using the same for loop because I value is moved from first element to last element for searching. So I'm going to be take the element value, right? Element equal to int of input of enter element. So I take the enter element. I will show in on practical, and I write the for loop to for I in x. When I will check, I will for check from one to last element equal to I, right? Element equal to I. Now what happened? One signal should be generated. Suppose element should be a flag. Flag is a signal. Actually, flag equal to 1. So when element equal to I, flag equal to 1. Now I print at the out of the for loop, print, sorry, if flag equal to double equal to, this is comparison, right, existed, else suppose the flag value not done, print non-existed. What is the need of the flag value? Suppose if there is no flag, what would be happen? I will explain to you. I will directly go to the online interpreter, right? I am going to be consider this one, right? I value is moving from 1 to sorry, 10 to 50. So now I am going to be accepted one more element for searching element, right? ELE equal to int of int of input of enter search element, enter search element. I am going to be search for the particular element is in X or not. Now I print if I equal to compare with element, then print element existed in tuple. Okay, element existed, element value is ELE. So I'm going to write that ELE exists in the tuple. Otherwise, because the element is not existed, else I'm going to write element not existed in the tuple. So here I am not using any flag value. You can observe what to be happen, right? For each and every element, for each and every search, the number of times actually the output will be printed, right? Please enter the element. Suppose I element 30. What happened? Please observe carefully. 30 not existed, 30 not existed, 30 existed in the tuple, 30 not existed, 30 not existed. That means for each and every element search, it will be print an output, right? Suppose I am going again run. Suppose I element value is 35. What will be happen? Element not existed, not existed, not existed, like that. So it is odd. It is not look so good. For that reason, I am going to be use the flag. So right here, I am going to consider, right, I am going to be eh, remove this one also. There is no need because we know that that is the tuple. I am going to consider flag equal to 0. Flag equal to 0. When I equal to element, I am going to write here flag equal to 1. I keep the flag equal to 1. Up to this one, the for loop is over. Now out of the for loop, right? This is again main program, right? I am going to be print like that. If flag equal to 1, I'm going to write like it as flag equal to 1, right? Print element is exist in the tuple. else element is not exist in the tuple. Here we observe carefully, right? In for loop, there is a if loop. In if, the signal flag is there. Now again, I try to be run this one. Sorry, some indexing error is there, right? So right. Search element. I enter the element value 30. 30 element exists in the tuple. A single output line, not like in the previous. Again, I will check 10. Okay, 10 is also existed. Again, I will search 50, last element. 50 also existed. Now I will check not existing 34. 34 not existed, right? Again, I search 67. 67 is also not existed. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand. Okay, this is the to check whether the element is existed or not existed in a tuple. Now, up to now, we are going to be say that packing, unpacking. The second one is the search for a particular element, and one more is the index values. Now we are going to be print the removing how to remove the element from the tuple, right? So we know that tuples are immutable. Remove element from tuple. Actually, the tuples are immutable, so it is not possible we are removing the elements from the tuple in normal way. But here we are going to be consider actually the tuples are but sequential data items. The sequential data items are indexable and sliceable. So I am going to be try to be using that one. I am going to consider this is the tuple. Now I try to be print. Suppose x is again suppose x of 2 plus x of 3 to n. What happened? Here x of 0 and 1, that means p and r are printed, plus x of 3, not 2, 0, 1, 2, the 2 is eliminated, 0, 1 is printed from 3. A, S, I, M, E is printed. That means the total. Now the B is eliminated. By using this technique, I would like to remove an element from the tuple. Please look into the matter, right? For ease of understanding, now I am going to be create a tuple of character values, right? I am going to be create P, comma, R, comma, B, comma, A, comma, S, comma, I, comma, M, comma, E. So I will consider this one, total this one. Now I try to be, sorry, I will write it in a small letters because Python is the case sensitive. Print X. Before that one, I will check the type of X. Print type of X. So this is the tuple. This is the X. Now I will try to make that one, right? X is again assigned to X of 2 up to 2. That means 0, 1 is printed. Plus here we are not adding, we are merging two tuples X of 3 to end. So this is slicing from we are missing the starting index. Starting index is 0 to 0, 1. Ending index minus 1 is printed. We know that. And starting index 3. Now I again try to be print x. Okay, friends. This is the technique I am using for removing the tuple element from the tuple, right? Please observe carefully. This is the starting one, P R B A S I M E. The next one is P R B is missing, right? This is A S I M E. Okay, here in the second one B is missing. Here I am going to be using such a logic. So this is in which way I am going to be removing the tuples. These are the some of the examples how we are going to execute Python exercises on tuples. Okay, thank you. Explain how we are going to be convert a list into tuple. We know that the both are sequential elements, but the list is mutable. That means we are able to possible to update, modify elements into the list, but the tuple is immutable. Now let us consider x equal to a list of, for example, elements 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, and we are trying to be print x and type of x, right? Now to change into the tuple, I am going to be use the constructor tuple. So the tuple constructor I am going to be using, right? Suppose some t equal to tuple of x. Now the x is converted into the tuple. Now I print t, sorry, I am using capital letter, and print type of t. Okay, friends, we are going to be execute and observe the output. Okay, right. Now I come here, right? I am going to be creating a list x equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50. Now I print x and print type of x. Print type of x. Now I am going to be consider t equal to tuple of x. Now I print t and print type of t. Okay, friends, we can observe the output, right? So this is the list and this is the tuple. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand. Thank you.